Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey y'all, it's good to see you again.
If you're new here, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Aaron.
And we're Avery Street Design Studio.
Yep.
So we're back again for another quick Wednesday video.
I hear you guys like these, so
yes.
we're going to keep them coming.
Today's item is going to be a really quick, simple thing. It's going to be a collapsible plant stand.
Yep.
They're good for indoor and outdoor use, depending on how you finish them. So,
yep, it's 6 pieces of wood. We're going to use parts of pallet runners because we've got a million of them.
Yep.
We're going to get the dado blade out and make a few dados. Probably 15 minutes start to finish. Couldn't be easier.
And these are great for selling on Etsy because of because they're collapsible.
Yeah.
You can just take them apart, toss them in a box, and ship them.
Super easy.
Yes.
Yep. Well, let's get going on it. All right, we're going to use these pallet runners that we've got a million of, and I'm going to start by cutting up a bunch of 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 strips, and then we'll take them over to the miter saw and get them cut down. Okay, we're going to start with 4 14-inch pieces. And then we need 2 11 and 11.5. All right, let's go get the dado set up. All right, now we're going to make our dados and all the 4 legs of the piece. Okay, we got the dados cut in the legs. Now we're going to do the 2 cross pieces that the actual plant sits on. It's the same cut, the same depth, everything. Just these are the shorter pieces. We're going to give them a quick sand before we put it all together to get all the rough stuff off of there. Okay, we've got all the parts cut, we've got them sanded real quick. And now we're going to put the two halves together. You can either do it this way, or you can make it to where they just are all 6 separate pieces. It's up to you. For confusion's sake, I think doing it this way is probably the best way, so there's no question how they go together. I'm just going to put one 1-inch nail in there to hold it together.
Nice. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. It's a beautiful plant stand. You could stain it or, weatherproof it if you want it outside, but that was quick and easy.
It was.
So.
Yep, learn how to use your dados and you can whip them out in no time.
Yep.
Yep, so.
Well, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and share this video. It greatly helps us out.
It does. We'll see you this weekend.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.